Brace yourselves for an explosive journey into the life of Khalilur-Rahman Kamar, a man who has set the internet ablaze and stirred controversies across Pakistan.
तो हम रात को मुलाकातें करते हैं।
खलीलुर-रहमान कमर
बीच में मत बोलिए।
खलीलुर-रहमान
तेरे जिस्म में है क्या?
From his powerful dramas to his jaw-dropping statements, this is a story you won't want to miss.
मैं तू इंटरव्यू कर मेरी माँ ना बोल। एक मिनट आयशा, चुप रहो। ये क्या तरीका है गुफ्तगू का?
It all started with the 2020 TV debate that shook the nation. Khalilur-Rahman Kamar, amidst a heated discussion on women's rights, dropped a bombshell. The phrase,
2% की औरत,
translating to that two-bit woman, directed at activist Marvi Surmed, went viral in seconds. The backlash was immediate, with social media exploding in outrage. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Fast forward to a jaw-dropping interview where Kamar sat alongside a man who declared that 95% of Pakistani women are illiterate. Kamar's nod of agreement sent shockwaves through the country. And as if that wasn't enough, 2023 brought another scandal. Kamar publicly humiliated a young female reporter who questioned his views. His harsh and derogatory response ignited yet another wave of criticism. From his fiery debates to his controversial remarks, Khalilur-Rahman Kamar's life is a whirlwind of drama, both on-screen and off. What fuels his controversial persona? How do his actions affect his work and reputation? Join us as we unravel the controversies that have rocked the internet and examine the complex figure of Khalilur-Rahman Kamar. Watch till the end to discover the truth behind the headlines. Welcome, listeners, to another episode where we dive deep into the lives of some of the most polarizing figures in the world. Today, we bring you the story of a man who has made headlines for his work, as well as his words. A name that resonates with powerful dialogues, hit dramas, and unfortunately, several contentious incidents. Born on November 16, 1962, in Lahore, Pakistan, Kamar started his career as a writer and quickly gained recognition for his unique style and bold narratives. Kamar's early works include popular TV dramas.
उस 2% की लड़की के लिए आप मुझे 50 मिलियन दे रहे थे।
फकत मेरे दिल से
such as Bhuta from Toba Tek Singh and Landa Bazaar.
पुत्र पाऊं 6 फुट का मैं हुक्म क्यों ना कद उसका प्यो के पैरों से ऊंचा नहीं होता.
His scripts were celebrated for their depth and portrayal of rural Punjab's culture and issues. However, it was the 2014 drama serial Yare Afzal that cemented his status as a leading playwright in Pakistan. But with fame came controversy. Khalilur-Rahman Kamar's outspoken nature and rigid views on gender roles have often landed him in hot water. One of the most notorious incidents occurred in March 2020 during a live television debate. During this debate on Aurat March and women's rights, Kamar uttered the infamous dialogue that would spark outrage across Pakistan. The phrase, "Wo do takai ki aurat," translated as "that two-bit woman," was directed at fellow panelist and social activist Marvi Surmed. Kamar's outburst was not only shocking, but highlighted his deep-seated misogynistic views. This incident led to widespread condemnation from various quarters.
मैं उस मुल्क का बाशिंदा हूँ जहाँ बीच में मत बोलिए।
चले आप उनको मौका दीजिए। मारवी साहिबा,
बीच में मत बोलो तुम।
मारवी साहिबा,
तेरे जिस्म में है क्या? तेरे जिस्म में है क्या? उस पर मर्जी चलाता कौन है?
मारवी
Who the hell are you?
प्लीज प्लीज
अपना जिस्म देखो जाके।
आप अपनी बारी पे बात करेंगे।
Don't talk in between the lines.
प्लीज डेकोरम का ख्याल रखिए।
तेरा जिस्म है क्या बीबी?
बोलने दे इनको।
थूकता नहीं है कोई उसका जिस्म आपके जिस्म पर। बेहया औरत के जिस्म पर कोई थूकता नहीं है।
मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी मारवी साहिबा अपनी बारी पे। मैं आपके पास वापस आऊंगी।
Don't talk bloody nonsense, you know?
और शट अप।
You bloody shut up.
प्लीज देखिए ये।
You shut up.
प्लीज प्लीज इस फॉरम में
उल्लू
इस तरह
की
इस तरह
पट्टी।
नहीं। हम देखें बहुत तहजीब से बात कर रहे हैं। मालवी
बदतमीज हो
साहिबा,
रहा
अपनी बारी पे।
अमेरिका में तहकीक कर रही है, बेहयाई की तहकीक कर रही
मालवी
है।
साहिबा आप
तेरी ऐसी की तैसी।
पहले
तू
मालवी साहिबा आप
बदतमीजी लग रहा हूं।
चले।
मैंने आपसे रिक्वेस्ट की, बकवास न कीजिएगा बीच में।
चले खलील साहब।
तेरा जिस्म है क्या? थूकता नहीं कोई मर्द उसके
खलील
ऊपर।
साहब।
शक्ल देख अपनी जाकर।
तेरी मर्जी।
खलील साहब देखें आप मैंने आपसे सवाल
मैंने
किया।
आपसे रिक्वेस्ट की, बसद इख्तराम कहा, सलाम किया और अर्ज की कि मैंने आपकी बातें पूरे गौर से सुनी। मेरी एक बात सुनी आपने।
शख्स ने गाली दी है अभी और ये मुझे तमीज की तकरीर कर रहा
चलिए
है।
मालवी
शराब-
साहिबा आप मेरी रिक्वेस्ट मानिए प्लीज, अपनी बारी पे बात कीजिए।
इस घटिया औरत को लिया आपने मेरे साथ पैनल में।
Despite the backlash, Khamer remained unapologetic, defending his stance in subsequent interviews and social media posts. He claimed that his comments were a reaction to perceived disrespect towards Pakistani culture and values. Fast forward to 2023, another incident further tarnished Khamer's reputation. This time, during a public event, he humiliated a young female attendee. The young woman had questioned Khamer about his views on women's rights, to which he responded with derogatory remarks, questioning her upbringing and intellect. A recent event added yet another layer of intrigue and controversy. In early 2024, the renowned writer was reportedly kidnapped, a shocking development that quickly became the talk of the town.
मारूफ राइटर खलीलुर रहमान कमर भी हनी ट्रैप का शिकार हो गए। थाना सुंदर में दर्ज मुकदमे के मुताबिक आमना अरूज नामी खातून ने उन्हें ड्रामा बनाने के लिए अपने घर बुलवाया। निजी सोसाइटी में खातून के घर पहुंचा 7 से 8 अफराद मुसल्ला आए, आंखों पर पट्टी बांधी और 1 करोड़ रुपए का मुतालबा किया।
Kidnapping occurred under mysterious circumstances, with details emerging sporadically. As news of his disappearance spread, fans and critics alike were left in suspense. Then, a video surfaced online that sent shockwaves through social media. In the video, Khamer appeared visibly distressed, pleading for his release. The footage went viral, garnering millions of views and igniting a nationwide debate.
पहली बात तो ये है कि हमारी जो रूटीन्स हैं, अदर दैन कि मैं इस वक्त बीमार हूँ और मुझे डॉक्टर ने 5 साल के लिए धूप में जाने से मना कर दिया है। वो ना भी मना किया होता तो हम रात को मुलाकातें करते हैं और उसमें जेंडर की तमीज़ नहीं की जाती कि ये खातून है और ये मर्द है। तो ऐसी मैं 10 दफ़ा मैं जा चुका हूँ जब मैं मर्दों से
एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ। नहीं
सर, सर।
मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ कि जो मुल्ज़मान हैं चूँकि ये अननोन थे, इनको हमने शनाख्त परेड के लिए बंद करवा दिया हुआ है।
Speculations about the motives behind the kidnapping ran rampant, with some suggesting it was a result of his controversial views, while others believed it was a personal vendetta. Following a harrowing few days, Khamer was eventually released unharmed. However, the incident left a lasting impact on his public image. While some expressed sympathy and support, others criticized the way he handled the situation, further polarizing public opinion. This event added another chapter to the tumultuous life of Khalilur Rahman Khamer, illustrating the profound and often dangerous consequences of living a life in the spotlight. It raised questions about the price of fame and the perils faced by public figures who push societal boundaries. Khalilur Rahman Khamer's career has been a roller coaster ride, marked by significant achievements and equally significant controversies. On one hand, his contributions to Pakistani television and film are undeniable. His works have won numerous awards and have a massive fan following. On the other hand, his outspoken nature and controversial views have often overshadowed his professional accomplishments. Many argue that his talent as a writer is tainted by his regressive views on gender and his tendency to engage in public spats. In recent years, Khamer has continued to produce successful dramas and films, such as Mir Pas Tum Ho, which was both critically acclaimed and commercially successful. However, each new project seems to reignite the debate about separating the artist from his art. As we conclude this episode, we leave you with a question. Can we appreciate the creative genius of Khalilur Rahman Khamer while condemning his problematic views? Or does his behavior disqualify him from the respect his work otherwise commands? Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more stories that uncover the complexities of the most talked about figures in our world. Until next time, stay curious and critical.